I've been interested in owning some property and making a little self-sufficient farm for years, and so this is kind of us living out our dream a little bit, making a little hobby farm. Raise the kids and teach them how to work hard and that kind of stuff. For years, it's been an interest of mine to get the house running on solar. For me, it was more of an emergency standpoint. I wanted to have that option to produce power, electricity. I think for my wife, it came down to the money. We haven't even had this system a year, not quite a year. And our bills the last few months have almost been down to hookup fees, which is just their basic, $12, $13 a month fees. So I was referred to Troy by a friend, gave Troy a call, and he came right over, sat down, explained all the options, and it made total sense. Obviously, I mean, we're saving several $100s a month just on our electric bill alone. I have an app on my phone, and it's super easy. You log right in, and you can track it, the overall system performance. You can track it throughout the day. You can track it panel by panel to make sure all the panels are up and running. And I'll tell you, the upfront service from Troy was great. What I've been most impressed with was the follow-up and the questions I've had along the way afterwards with Troy and his crew over at Hot Solar Solutions. They're very responsive almost immediately. It's probably one of the best companies I've ever done business with, quite frankly.
Reach out to us today, and together we can determine whether solar is a good fit for you.